You spirit, you spirit, you bad demon, you bad luck spirit, you stagnation, you backward ever, maybe forward ever, you bad spirit, you demon sent by anybody. I don't want to know. Tell it to destroy this boy, and to make him useless, and to make him never to succeed in this work when they work, for this work when they work. Say you never finish the work when they go work. You that evil spirit, you are that evil spirit. I summons you. Oracle of light there. I be light and I control darkness. When light come, darkness go run. So you evil spirit, I summons you here. I summons you here. I summons you here. Oh, the changer, I can't to billion. I blender, Krimosa. I summons you. Appear.
How dare you? How dare you summon me, you oracle of light?
I am light. That's why I summoned you. Okay, all the change I can't to billion. Ablanja Krimosa. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, my viewers. I know say una don miss me for so long. Now make I do this one for una, make off una moral of una mind calm down, because the spiritual control the physical. You no go fit see the spiritual, and I go tell you about the spiritual. You na only the physical you go see. I remain the oracle of light. I need to use blood. I need to do that kind of thing. I need to do ritual for anybody. But I came to bring light for you where darkness don't cover. I came to bring light for you where darkness don't cover. I came to bring light for you where don't get injustice. For you where they suffer with oppression. For you where they suffer with poverty. For you where they suffer for injustice. Now wetin make I come for una be that. And now your first time coming across my video, do well to drop your comments on my comment section. Comment your problem on my comment section. Subscription are free. I need to collect ₦1. Subscription are free. Subscribe. Go to Oracle of Light TV. Go see what I don't do. I don't do many things. This power wey me I get, no be by my mind, no be by my power, but na the only by His grace. So if my father or my father don't use and they do bad thing, me my own turn I no go use and do bad thing. I use and bring light for you. Light for you will define business. Light for you will define pregnancy. For light for you will define husband. Light for you will the Africa, the UK, the Ghana, the Togo, the Milan, the Dubai. I don't want to know. Drop your problem on my comment section and remain the oracle of light. I don't know why I still do like that. Don't keep your body into myself. They do your business they go well. You dey suffer for spiritual husband, spiritual attack. I don't tell you say the spiritual and control the physical. I know they collect ₦1. I no go collect for your hand. I go first make sure say I do the thing for you. And if I do the thing won't work, you go come pay me. The only thing you go buy na spiritual materials. I go use do the work for you. And I give you only 5 days. 5 days now I give you. If you no work. After that, just get patient for me. Get patient for me. And for those people who don't do their work, who don't send me money, who I don't see their receipt, me and they don't do video call, who don't talk. And they like to talk to una when your work need the work. And they feel like call you when I know say the work, myself I don't know say yes, oracle of light, the thing don't they work for you. That mean I dey call you. So be patient for you when you work. You don't pay me money, I dey do your work. Be patient. They say the patient dog eat the fattest bone. The patient dog eat the fattest bone. So relax. I don't know why you still worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. Oracle of light, they here. I'm here for your solution. Anyway, if you don't go, they don't scam you. Fake pastor, fake prophet, all of them don't scam me. Me, I no go scam you. I remain the oracle of light. I no go tell you say send me money. I no go tell you say send compensation money. I no go tell you say I no go do that kind of thing. I go first solve your solution for you. So anywhere we dey, drop your problem to my comment section. Thank you. I dey here with young man wey come here. He don dey worry me, say he don do this community for 2 weeks now. So he don dey worry me, he don dey chat, he don dey do video call. He don dey guys, I no fit rest. Like this, I leave my shrine, they come for where in dey work. He say get where in dey work project, say get project work there. Say get problem wey just say he wan just tell me something. So I don't call reach. I tell him send spiritual materials. I don't do work finish, but he say man still come for there. So you get everything that happen for that working place we no like. So now the man I dey with here, When I know how they do am, I know they like talk am only me, and they like me himself using my talk am.
Yes.
Young man, wetin be your name?
My name is Engineer Kelvin.
Engineer Kelvin. Talk wetin be your problem.
So the reason why I call you, now the main reason why I call you, because I want me you come help me. You see that thing what you do for me, I still want me you come follow me reach that place where they work, because this thing I don't know how I won't carry talk am. The thing don't they bust my head, because on the norm say this work what they do, I get contract work, you understand? Normal, I get boys what they do for me, so I get that work.
They do engineering work.
They do engineering work now, construction, they do road, they do houses and all those things. And so you get this contract work enter my hand to do about 4 kilometers road. You understand? So I should start the road. Normal, I get other works in France, so my boys they help me coordinate. So for the past 3 weeks now, my guys they complain, say, okay, we see first thing will happen. They don't say one of my supervisor get injury for leg. Now small injury, small something. Where you know say small thing, you can't go hospital treat that. From there, and my guy carry pile. Now so much supervisor carry die. I feel like maybe now part of life on those kind of things, but on a steady basis, like let's say I tell you like this, like 4 of my workers don't die.
For this construction.
For this model that they do, 4 of my workers don't die.
You sorry to ask, you offend anybody?
I don't offend anybody, brother.
You owe anybody money?
I don't offend anybody. I know they owe. If I they owe, they pay.
You don't stay in your hand.
How go carry this man? I mean, I legit stunt na they do na engineering work they do.
Continue.
So now make I call you come, because the thing here, see, everybody don't defend my side.
Your boys don't die.
4. My supervisor on 1. 3 of my boys they do one way they operate engine for me sef. Don't buy. Now my engine
is why they die.
Nothing. You just say, Christian, say something just happen for side, person fall die. This one will get small injury, you can't go hospital, you go to the hospital die. I don't know the thing no, because now say my work self now they go front again, and I get just about 2 weeks, a bit 3 weeks to complete the work. The money said don't they finish. Now they don't know give me the remaining money, man carry complete the work. The work just I don't know how one carry do. I beg help me.
The work did around this area.
Now this frontier. Now guys say me come meet me. Now this frontier I beg.
You dey watch now, watch to the end, watch this video to the end. I'm telling you, trouble no dey finish. If you say na play, now waiting at the face issue and every day. Now somebody where I don't do work finish for sure, and I see come here behind the work. So we are him don't do work, he don't get challenge. So 3 or 4 of him boys don't die for this construction work when they do for the road. And anything we don't involve like that na spiritual.
And I don't spend money for this thing. Even the last one we die saved, they put on for my head, say as the boy died for my side, now me do the burial. Money one no get now carry go to the burial. For something one no know. I beg help me, I beg. This thing go put me for big problem, I beg.
No, this why they do the construction.
Who they go?
Come on, the more they go. I dey with you. No worry. Oye betere wori chibuya. Akpakpa takuka. Akata kanya motwa. Oye betere wori chibuya. Imanka no. Oye betere gige wori chibuya. Don't dey go. Don't say I dey with you. Anybody wey do you go use the head carry am. After I say your hand clean. Anybody wey do you go. More dey go. Anybody wey do you go use the head carry am. More dey go. Make we dey go, no worry, I dey with you. Anybody wey do you go use the head carry am. Oya betere wori chibuya akpakpa takuka, mo dey go. Anybody wey do you go use the head carry am.
And the place for this. I'm not complete the work for him.
Mr. James, catch up.
My machine so don't they no one even bring me money, man carry by sand. No way for me to buy cement. Nothing my workers no one they come. I beg. I don't know how I carry start. I beg if you see. The big problem with this one, because the money don't too plenty, and I know pay the credit. I beg man just complete this contract, man. I know see the work don't finish. I go watch my money for this one don't tire me. I beg.
Want to change your account to billion? I say watch this video to the end. I don't tell you say trouble need to finish. Subscribe to my YouTube if you want to see me. Want to change the Oracle of Life family. You don't see what thing that happened to the young boy now. Trouble need to finish. If I tell you trouble to finish, you go be saying a lie. subscription na free. I don't know why you still dey waste time. Subscribe, comment your problem to my comment section. You just wetin dey happen to the young boy now. The young boy don explain. We don come reach, but don't be ordinary. Young man, no be ordinary. No be ordinary. So no worry, I dey with you. Come dey show me wetin you dey show me.
For this place, I no go lie you. No be smoke thing happen. The last time that thing happen, sef, man, so everybody run come off my side. The thing can shock me because I no been there.
Now yeah, your boy then die.
That my supervisor on this front.
This place one I been dey do.
This place here. Now just this small. We don't start to. We just start work. We first do this side. You understand? Money no been there, so we first complete this side. So as we come to more complete this, we just start here. Now this small place, now those people don't die. I can't wonder because I don't do anybody anything.
You owe anybody credit?
I don't own. Plus if I they pay, normally they collect, I they borrow money in my life. I they borrow money, but I they try to pay my money back.
You don't offend anybody?
No, Jesus.
Because I dey sense one kind spirit around this place, monitoring spirit. Monitoring spirit now they send around here.
Who I don't go? I don't know who I don't.
Monitoring spirit now they send around here. You get any friend? You get somebody been dey follow you drag this contract? This contract, what this contract for? You got anybody been dey follow you drag?
We plenty with the drag am sha, but the little carry thing can't give me. You understand? Morgana call me say after say because on me in day. Since carry the contract, normal we plenty with the drag am. You understand? So we boy to the drag am, but now me call later give the contract last.
Now you still do this side.
Now this side is first start now. Man, this side says man. Maybe work they continue they go.
Now those machines they now use.
Now that one, I see that my machine, so that my machine said don't spoil. I don't pay money to fix and say. I don't know where I want from start. Now my God, I don't call and see you. See what they put for side too. My God says, man, find way something. Money said, you know, give me. Cement said, I'm not figure. Sand said, I'm not figure. And this contract now, I supposed to finish contract 3 weeks from now because I get on that contract. I supposed to go do.
You don't face this kind of thing before.
In fact, bro, my first time.
Yeah, first time.
I know.
Now the first contract you don't collect this.
No, not my first contract.
You don't collect contract.
I don't collect contract before, but this kind of thing never happened from my side before. It never happened. I don't know what happened to this one.
Oh, change. I got to billion. I plan to crimo. I'm para tanta manta. Oh, you better with me. Oh, change. I got to billion. I plan to crimo. Oh, change. I got to billion. I plan to crimo. I tell you, say this trouble no dey finish. See what you do this young boy now. Follow people, no be your own. Nothing no be your own. Wetin be own na own. So I don't know what you do. Why they go like say they go worry your neighbor? I go do that kind of thing to this young man. He good. Then he expect say the world go good. The world no go ever good. And the spiritual control the physical. I mean, the thing that happen here. But as I dey here, I dey send something wey dey happen here. So watch this video to the end. So like this, how many workers wey dey use the work like this? Come like this.
Today 16 people. I get 2 supervisors. One of them like I tell you, don't get 16 workers. 2 supervisors, 1 operator. Now my operator said don't die. I need to find your operator. I don't know I won't see one. I get 2 supervisors, 1 of them don't die. 2 of them my workers. 2 of my workers and one if family people still down my neck like this now.
The first one before those students died, they never complain something for you. Say they see spirit for their dream. Somebody they come worry them for their dream.
Mostly that my supervisor will tell you. Before that one time they tell me say when I go visit her for hospital.
Yes.
He tell me say in be the 3 month kind dream say person they come meet and they want them to make them stop the work. But
yes.
Me I think I say maybe na own family something and I don't think I say na because this work something. I no reason like that. I no reason now.
You don't say the spiritual control the physical. Yeah. You know like that. You don't see what me I dey see.
No, I no dey see. I don't understand. Now make I call you, may you come help me, I beg.
Now the person wey follow contract, the contract now into you this thing. He send monitoring spirit to spoil the work for you to come spoil the work. Hey! And I spoil those machines them. From there, now they even they kill those your boys and one. And those spirits, as they talk, those spirits still there. And the spirit they follow you. As they talk to you, the spirit they is road where they walk this work.
Jeez. Wait, you didn't try to tell me now.
I say the spirit. That guy wey dey follow wey be the one award wey be suppose give am the contract. Felix, na him be name. Felix, na him be name. Na him dey suppose give this contract before you go come carry am come give you.
Yes. And then my friend come meet me. He come meet me. One day like, tell me say man leave this contract talk. Say this work no be my hand. You suppose enter. Say oga cheat am.
He come here, come do something. Keep comot when you know before you start the work. You contract for this road.
That boy get bad man. Shite. Oh, this boy don't finish me.
I dey tell you say the spiritual control the physical, but you no go believe.
Finish me. This boy don't finish me.
But no worry, Mr. Matthew. Sir. Stay calm. Mr. James, stay calm. Oye metere with Shibuya.
This boy don't finish me.
Oye metere, young man, stay calm. Your solution dey for your problem. Just happy say you don't just thank yourself say you don't see oracle of light. I go help you.
This boy don't finish me.
I go help you.
Oracle abeg.
I go help you.
Oracle abeg.
And like this, wetin the man say don pay you for this contract, it remains small money for your hand.
I swear na small money just I no fit even carry am complete the work. I no know I wan carry start save abeg. This thing I don dey put for big.
The only thing wey we fit do na to send that spirit or destroy that spirit or to send that spirit back for here. The spirit as I dey talk to you, the spirit dey here. Oracle of light no dey lie. Oh, to change I cast to billion. Ah, blanja krimo by the power of Jatamanta. Oye metere wuri chibuya. As I talk to you, the spirit there.
She there.
Ma show you want see for your eye. The spiritual control the physical. The spirit wey that man Felix come to here. That monitoring spirit, that destroying spirit wey she put here and say this construction no go get head. So you no go work am succeed. The spirit there.
For
years I dey talk to you.
Jesus.
Oh, to change I cast to billion. I blanja krimo. The spirit there. You want samfire?
I want some.
You want samfire?
I want some.
I be oracle of light. You want samfire? Oh, to change I cast to billion. I blanja krimo. Oh, to change I cast to billion. I blanja krimo. Oh, to change I cast to billion. I blanja krimo. Oh, to change I cast to billion. I blanja krimo. You spirit, you bad demon, you bad luck spirit, you stagnation, you backward ever, maybe forward ever, you bad spirit, you demon sent by anybody I don't want to know, telling to destroy this boy, and to make him useless and to make him never to succeed in this work when they work, for this work when they work. Say you no go finish the work when they go work. You that evil spirit. You are evil spirit. I summons you. Oracle of light there. I be light. I dey control darkness. When light come, darkness go run. So you evil spirit, I summons you here. I summons you here. Oh, the changer. I catch the billion. I blanja. Krimosa. I summons you. Appear.
How dare you summon me, you oracle of light?
I am light. That's why I summoned you. I am light. I must surely summon you. I want you to leave this boy alone.
How she gonna know you?
Who give you this boy?
This boy belongs to light. She's not darkness. You belong to light. You are not darkness.
Yes.
Even Caesar give what belongs to Caesar.
I know they do that one. I am not Caesar.
This boy that can give me.
They can't give it to do what?
What it concern you?
He concern me because I remember oracle of light. He concern me.
Who can I give you?
He concern me.
No concern you.
He concern me. You must set him free.
They give this boy to me to destroy him.
They no give it to destroy him. You know if you destroy him because
How dare you stand on my obstruct me?
I will obstruct you every night because you are darkness. I am light. I will obstruct you.
Stay away from me.
I know they go anywhere to leave this man. I don't come.
Come out from here.
I know they go anywhere. I don't come.
Come out from here.
I know they go anywhere. I don't come.
Oracle, how she gonna know you?
You must free this boy. They know me. All the old demons know me. All the old demons know me. He no belong to you. He no belong to you.
Who gave him to you?
He no belong to you. He no belong to you. He no belong to you.
His son is mine.
He no be your own. His son 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 no be your own.
Stay away from my business.
I need to stay away from your business. Don't be your business.
Stay away from my business.
You are darkness.
Go back to where you are coming from.
I need to go. Your business
How
are darkness.
dare you?
I must make sure I stop you. I must stop you. I must stop you. You must free this boy. You must free this boy. You must free this boy. You must free this boy.
No.
You must free this boy.
Mine.
No be your own. No be your own. Na light, na me own. Light, it belongs to light. It belongs to light. It belongs to light.
Belongs to me.
No, it belongs to I don't talk too much. Allah, you no go fit.
Belongs to me.
It no belongs to you. It no go belong to you. It no 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 belong to you. Stand up. Take him. Take him. You dey without oracle of light. Take him. Take him. You dey without oracle of light. Take him. Hold the down. I cast a billion. I have blanda. Kirimosa. Get up. Get up. Get up. You dey with me. Can you do more? Bring more. 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 Hold the down. I cast a billion. I have blanda. Kirimosa. Oh, danger! I can't be done. I blanja. Kimosa. You cannot do anything.
Yeah, you challenge me.
I will challenge you. I am light. I am light. You are darkness. I will challenge you. I am light. You are darkness. I am light. You are darkness. I will challenge you. I must destroy you.
To kill you.
You are not killing me. You cannot kill me. You cannot kill me. You are a demon. You are a darkness. You are a monitoring spirit. I will destroy you. I am oracle of light. I am oracle of light. You cannot do anything.
I'm going to destroy you.
You don't go destroy me. You no fit. Na me go destroy you. You don't finish. Na the more you go fit do. Can you do more? Do more, make we see. Do more, make we see. Oh, the change. Take am. Take am. Take am. No worries. Take am. You no go fit do anything. Na darkness I be. Oh, the change. I cast a billion. I blanja. Kirimosa. I the power of that amanta. I command you. Anywhere we come from.
Oracle.
Hold changer, I cast a billion. Hold changer, I cast a billion. Take him. Hold changer, I cast a billion. Oh yeah, I want you. You go back to send you, and you go die. You demon, I command you. Take. You must go back. You must go back to send you. Oracle of light is here. You demon, you monitoring spirit. I send you where you are come from. Where you come from, I send you go back. Go back. Hold center. I got a billion. I blanda. I tell you saying go back. Anybody where they do you, na back to center. Anybody where they do you, no marry, I will send her for her. Anybody where they do you. Na person where they do you, yes, you can see it. And everything they send, and everything they send give you. Mr. Felix, they send and give you.
Na the person there.
Yes, na Mr. Felix, they send and give you.
Oracle, thank you. I don't want to thank you again. Oracle, thank you. I beg, thank you. So like this time, I start the work.
From now on, S1, do anything you want if you start the work.
Have you start?
Yes, if you start am now as I talk to you. From now on, as I come out, call your oga. Let's give you the work. The listen to thing go talk.
Moka. I will call him.
Call him. Any response when you respond, he answer me. Oh. For you, when they suffer for this kind of matters, and you, when they go through for this kind of problems.
Oracle, thank you.
I don't know what you welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. I came for darkness. I came to take over darkness for people where darkness don't cover. For you, when they watch my video, make sure you subscribe and share my video. And comment your problem to my comment section. You dey UK, you dey Canada, you dey Togo, you dey Milan, you dey Dubai, I don't want to know. Comment your problem to my comment section. And thank you. And you will get this type of similar problem. Drop your comment on my comment section. If you want to do video call with me, go see me live and direct. If you want to chat me, my manager are there to chat you if I'm not around. So do well to subscribe to my channel, Oracle of Light TV. Thank you. Let's go, Mr. James.